How to remove the Citroen C4 Cactus door panel. We will start off by removing the inner door mirror cover. With a plastic tool, we will need to pull off this side and then move on to the other side and just gently, without breaking the clips on the inside of the mirror cover, pull it off. So I'll switch sides and make removing much easier. Underneath there will be a T20 torque screw that you'll need to remove. And then to the side, when you open the door, there's a little cover and you'll need to remove this cover, and underneath there will also be another torque screw. Go ahead and remove this torque screw, and then to the bottom of the door panel there's also another torque screw. And then the next part is where the door pull. With a plastic tool, remove these covers. They're quite flimsy. Don't use flathead middle screwdrivers as you can damage these covers, and then pull them off. There's two of these, and underneath there will be, I believe, T35 or T30 torque screws. They're a bit larger. And after you remove these screws, what's holding the door panel in place is clips on the inside. That's why you need to get in between the door panel and door itself with plastic tools, and then get in there with your fingers. Starting from the bottom, you will need to pull the bottom of the door panel out first. Keep in mind the clips can break, and it's just one of those things. So a bit of effort, force is required. Pull the bottom out, and then you'll need to slide this upwards to detach it from the window sill. So first pull it out from working your way up. And then lift it up, and then all you need to do is unplug the window switch by pressing onto that piece or that section of the plug over there. And one tip is sometimes the clips can be stuck on the door like this, and my recommendation would be to take all of these white clips off. These are the clips that I was talking about, and put them onto the door panel, as it makes refitting much easier. And this is how you remove the door panel from a Citroen C4 Cactus.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.